viewers, we are going to see one welding problem. Okay, yeah, bracket. It is welded to a plate as shown in figure. Find the size of weld if maximum shear stress is 100 megapascal. Okay, so this is the bracket. Okay, this is the plate. This is a bracket. This is a plate. It is welded to this. Okay, this the this these two end is welded. Okay, the size is 50 mm. Okay, this plate size is 100 mm. Okay, this load is 20 kilonewton. Okay, this length is 150 mm. Okay, so what is the center? From center it is 25. Okay, it is A, it is B. Okay, this theta. Okay, so what is given data? Given data. So P is equal to 20 kilonewton, that is equal to 20,000 newton. E is equal to 150 plus 25 is equal to 175 mm. Okay, so what is R? R is equal to this is 100. Okay, this material is 50. Okay, root of 50 square plus 25 square, that is equal to 56 mm. Okay, now what is primary solution? Okay, primary shear stress. Okay, sigma 1 is equal to load by area. Load is 20,000 newton divided by 2 into 0.707 into h into 50. Okay, that is sigma 1 is equal to 282 h newton per millimeter square. Okay, now secondary shear stress. Okay, sigma 2. So how to find out? This is the formula, T by J sigma 2 by R. Okay, so what is T? T is equal to P into E, that is equal to 20,000 into 175. Okay, J is equal to B cube plus 3BD square divided by 6 into T, that is equal to B is 100, B is 50. Okay, 50 cube plus 3 into 50 into 100 square into T divided by 6, that is J is equal to 19161479 H. Okay, so for this 0.707 H. Okay, 40. So putting the values, so 20,000 into 175 175 divided by 191419 h equal to sigma 2 divided by 56. That's r is 6 56. Okay, that is sigma 2 is equal to 1022 divided by h. Okay, Newton per millimeter square. Okay, so what is resultant stress? R is equal to root of sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square plus 2 into sigma 1 sigma 2 cos theta. Okay, so what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 25, hypotenuse 56. That is equal to 0.46447. Okay, so what is R? R is equal to 282 h whole square plus 1022 h whole square plus 2 into 282 h 1022 h into 0.447, that is root. Okay, so what is the value? 1176 h, that is equal to 100. Therefore h is equal to 11.76, approximately 12 mm. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, if you like the video, put plus button, like button, and raise your doubt in the comment box.